Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see what device your viewers are watching on. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on your avatar icon at the top, right? And then what you're going to do, you're going to see right here, YouTube Studio. Click on it. Basically, they will direct you to the YouTube Creator Studio. So you're going to just wait it out for a few moments right here, okay? And after you wait it out for a few moments, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead into basically what you're going to do next. You're going to just go ahead right here. You're going to see the left column right here. You're going to see it. You're going to see analytics. So click on it, right? In the analytics section, what you're going to see, you're going to see right here your overview, content, audience, and inspiration. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click advanced mode, right? In the advanced mode, you're going to see the last 28 days views and all of that. So what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead right here and click more, and you're going to see right here device type. Click on it, right? And then you can just change the time schedule if you want it to be last 90 days, lifetime, whatever it might be. Just go ahead right here and click lifetime, right? And the chart will be uploaded. So as you can see right here, scroll a little bit down and you're going to be able to see the total watch time and viewership right here, and you're gonna see the device. If you scroll a little bit down, sorry, there is a lag right here on my laptop. The impressions through click through rate, scroll a little bit down, watch time, subscribers, that, and you're gonna see, if you let me just see right here, see a little bit traffic and geography, cities, view age, gender, all that, and you're gonna see right here, click more and then hit device type, right? And then basically if you scroll a little bit down right here, you're gonna see right here in your chart the mobile phones right here, and you're gonna see that most likely they are watching through mobile phones, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.